गजाननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो नमाम्यहम्। आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारं भीतानां भयनाशनं द्विषतां कालदण्डं तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। We were with Sita who has come to a point of no return in her mind and has decided that it is best to give up her life, and she has gone to the tree. She is under the Shimshupa tree and she is finding no other way to end her life. She sees her long hair, the plaits, and decides to hang herself by that. So Valmiki portrays very beautifully. She is leaning with her right hand on the tree, with the left hand she is looking at the plate. And mentally she has offered her respects to Rama and Lakshmana and Kausalya and Sumitra and to her own father Janaka and to her parents. All of that because she is going. The kind of a inauspicious thing that she is doing, she knows. And at that time, suddenly, some moments she sees. Which she knows from prior experience that this means good. We stopped there last time. We take off from there now. Actually, this is a turning point. Trijata Swapna was good. But even then her depression had not gone. Now she is utterly depressed. I'm wanting to take her life. An inauspicious act. She knows this will only bring bad name to the family itself. That family, one girl committed suicide. That fellow's wife committed suicide. It will bring a bad name to both sides. And generally karma doesn't leave. It will come again, few generations down the line, something else. You are setting forth a cycle of inauspiciousness. But what to do? At that time, some moments come. It is a small chapter, 8 or 9 verses. The smallest, I think, in Valmiki Ramayana. Shubhanamittani. And it is a pity that many are missing it. There is a turning point. It's a beautiful turning point. And elders say, like Antaram Dikshitar, who are steeped in the tradition, they say this should be read every day. Nitya Parayana. 8 verses. He says, by the time you, in his own way, he says, by the time you cool the coffee, you would have finished chanting it. It's not a heavy burden. And it's good omens. Why wouldn't you want to do it? So we will just first listen to these verses, then we'll go into them. Tathagatam tam yatitam ananditam vibheta harsham paridina manasam shubham nimittani shubhani bhejire naram sriya dushtamivopajivina tasya shubham vamamanala pakshma rajivritam krishna vishala shuklam praspandadaikam layanam sukeshya मीनाथं पद्ममिवाभिताम्रम् भुजश्च चार्वञ्चिदपीनवृत्तः परार्ध्यकालागरुचन्दनारः अनुत्तमेनाध्युषितः प्रियेण चिरेण रामः समवेपताशु गजेन्द्रहस्तप्रतिभश्चैपीन तयोर्द्वयोः संहतयोः सुजातः प्रस्पन्दमानः पुरुरूरवस्य रामं पुरस्तात् स्थितमाचचक्षे शुभं पुरर्वेम समानवर्णमीशद्गजोध्वस्तमिभामलाक्ष्याः वासस्थिताया शिखराग्रदन्त्याः किञ्चित् परिस्रंसरचारुगात्र्याः एतैर्निमित्तैरपरैश्च शुभ्रूः सम्बोधिता प्रागपि साधुसिद्धैः वातातपक्लान्तमिव प्रनष्टं वर्षेण बीजं प्रति सञ्जहर्ष तस्याः पुनर्बिम्बफलाधरोष्टम् पक्षिभृगेशान्तमरालपक्ष्म वक्त्रं बभासे सितशुक्लदंशं राहो मुखाचन्द्रैव प्रमुक्तः सावीतशोकाव्यपनीतचन्द्री शान्तज्वरा हर्षविबुद्धसत्त्वा अशोभकार्या मदनेन शुक्ले शीतांशुना रात्रिरोदितेन. Some people just write it when they are in deep depression. They will write it and put it in next to the God in their house or in the temple. Tathagatantam vyatitam ananditam vyapetaharsham paridinamarsam shubham nimittani shubhani bejire naram siyadushtamivopajivina. Tathagatantam, she who had reached that state is going to hang herself. Yatitam, that's suffering, deep suffering. Although she is blameless, aninditam, for no fault of hers. Vyapeta harsham, all happiness gone, nothing. Woe begone. Paridina manasam, dina manasam, paridina manasam. Extreme sorrow laden heart. What happened? Shubham nimittani shubhani bhejire. Auspicious omen came to her, who herself was auspiciousness. Shubham, she herself was auspiciousness. Now Valmiki did not say that she saw or to her auspicious moments happened. He says auspicious moments attained her. Whom? Shubha. She is auspiciousness itself. They went and reached her. How? Naram Sriya Justamivopajivina. There is a person. Suddenly comes to a lot of wealth. The auspicious omens, good omens, they went to Sita, from whom actually they will be living off her. She is auspiciousness itself. They get the fame that we attained Sita. They also go to arbitrary people. But that doesn't give them that happiness. Sita they have gone. So that's how he says, Shubham Nimittani Shubhani Bhejire. Tasya Shubham Vamamarala Pakshma Rajivritam Krishna Vishala Shuklam Raspandadaikam Nayanam Sugeshya Meenatham Padma Vivabitamram. Tasya Shubham Vama, her left eye, her auspicious left eye fluttered. This is Valmiki, the poet, and our greats say this Upama is like Kalidasa's Upama. Then Kalidasa describes the Swayamvara of Indumati. So all the kings will be lined up, who are all suitors. And there is a tradition, and everybody knows, that the princess will be brought, she will be accompanied by two ladies. There will be the garland, and the ladies will be introducing king by king. And it is known that they will do the research. They know the kings, so they will tell. So whoever is willing to put up with that introduction only will have to come. If you have lost somewhat, they'll say he ran away. I mean, if he had his army fled from the battlefield, they can say all that because they will tell. So if you are qualified and you can take that, you come. Like that, they are all sitting there. For example, one king was there, and when she came next time, he was having a lotus flower in his hand, and which he was holding by the stem, and he was just twisting it in his hand. So the lady who came along with Indumati told her that, see what he is doing. He is telling you that if you decide to marry him, then he will be like this in your hand. You can twist him around. He is offering that he will be totally subservient to you. So she said, not this fellow. Dikshit says, so he ushered her, so he is saying no, like that. And then what he says, Deepa Shikhame, she was like a flame of a lamp. Now he says, when the flame of a lamp, what does it do? There's a lamp. It's all dark otherwise, it's a lamp. There are 10 kings sitting. That lamp goes in front of one king. That king's face will light up. The other two, on the two sides, will become slightly dark. So like that it was. When she went in front of the one king, his face will light up. The other two fellows will become dark. Mantha is gone, other thing I am going, because she is standing next to this fellow. So like that he gives. So here, Tasya Shubham Vamamarala Pakshma. Her eyes, her left eye, is fluttered. How is it? Beautiful eyebrows, beautiful eyelashes, so many eyelashes, large wide eyes, white with reddish tinge, black pupil, beautiful large lotus-like eye. flutter.